I'm delighted to take you on a tour of this adorable Havens Court home. She's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom cutie that's almost 1,000 square feet, and she's so much more than that. She's got a finished garage with a kitchenette and a bathroom that offers so much possibility. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, East Bay home brokered by EXP Realty, and let's go inside. Thank you for joining me on my tour. Again, this is Tanja Odzak. Text me if you have any questions on this home or on any other home, or if you'd like to talk to me about selling your home. I'm always here to help, putting people before profit.